Okay, put that in there for the reindeer. Pretty. Let's do another one. Hold it.
Alright.
Yep. Put it in there for the reindeer. Oh, very good. Do another one. You think the reindeer gonna like their food? Yes? What do the reindeer say?
Ho, ho, ho.
All right, pull it out.
What does Santa Claus say?
Ho, ho, ho. Yes, say, ho, ho, ho.
Is that what he said? Is he gonna come visit you?
Santa Claus be my present.
Is he? He's gonna come bring you some presents? Were you good? Were you a big girl this year?
I'm a big up. Take a picture.
Oh, very good, Kennedy.
No, I cook. Na, 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 na.
Last one. Here we go. Okay. Good job.
Make good none more.
We gotta do another one? Okay. We gotta find some more to do. Good job. You think the reindeer gonna like that? Does it look good?
Maybe that thing. Daddy eat 'em.
They gonna like the oatmeal?
Get it good at that. Oatmeal.
You think they can find it with the sparkles? They're gonna find your house with the sparkles in it? Yes?
It's my hand.
Okay. We're gonna put it in there.